If you want to know how to buy shares of EQOYJ, this quick guide walks through the process for EQOYJ, a Finnish asset management and wealth services company listed on CBOE EU under the ticker EQV1V.HE. This is educational only and not financial advice. Do your own research and remember, investments carry risk. To buy EQV1V.HE, you need a brokerage account. We use eToro as an example to demonstrate the steps. After signing up, you will need to verify your account, typically by uploading an identity document, and add funds before you can place a trade. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker EQV1V.HE to find the listing quickly. Make sure you select the EQOYJ entry that shows the CBOE EU exchange. Open the EQOYJ asset page to review a short company summary, the price chart, and market details. Confirm the exchange reads CBOE EU and the ticker EQV1V.HE so you have the correct share. Tap Invest, enter the amount you want to buy, and check the order details carefully before confirming the trade on eToro. If the market is closed, your order may be set as a pending instruction, and if funds are insufficient, the platform will prompt you to add money before the purchase completes. After the trade executes, you'll see the new position in your eToro portfolio. For the eToro link and more resources, check the description below.